The United States should abolish the use of microbeads. Microbeads, which are often found in facial scrubs, exfoliants, cleaning supplies, and facial products. Microbeads are often said to be ideal in the cosmetic area because they are often used to improve skin clarity, remove dead skin cells, and promote beauty. So, they are often they often pose a danger to the environment and humans. Before I go on and emphasize more on microbeads, I will first like to discuss and define some terms. The first term I would like to discuss is microbeads. Microbeads are often made out of polymers and they are synthetic. They are not degradable and they are very small in size. They range anywhere from 1 to 5 micrometers. Microbeads are also pollutants and they are made out of plastic beads which affect humans, also fish, marine life, because sea creatures harvest food that have been known to eat microbead particles, and then toxins get transferred and consumed by other sea animals until it is eaten by humans. Now that we know more about microbeads, I can now discuss why they are such a danger to the environment. So according to the article Losing Sight of Science in the regulatory push to ban microbeads from the consumer products and industrial use by Burton, microbeads are non-degradable. So a lot of high numbers of them end up in the marine life and the ocean. Also, microbeads invade the marine life. Most fish and sea creatures are left to eat them. So because there is a lot of microbeads that end up in the ocean, fishes eat the microbeads and then they develop DNA abnormality, and also they have defects in their development as well as physical defects, and eventually microbeads will cause death. Now that we have an idea of how microbeads affect the marine life, we can now discuss how they affect humans. So, according to the article New Link in the Food Chain by Nate, microbeads travel down the food chain, causing health threats to humans. Marine life eat microbeads. Microbeads will then stay in the gut for a long period of time until humans then consume the sea creatures, and eventually the microbeads end up in the human system. So once in the human body, microbeads can travel anywhere to the GI tract, to the blood-brain barrier, and the lungs. They can cause toxicity and other potential health risks that are still being evaluated and are still being further researched. So in conclusion, there are many other reasons why we should not use microbeads that are often used in cosmetic and health products. We can get the same test done by using another agent, a soap that does not contain these microbeads or use of any microbeads. So small adjustments can be made and we can still change marine life, and also we can still change human life if we just make a small change by using products that do not contain any of these microbeads. This speech is not intended to insult those who buy cosmetics that contain microbeads, but it is rather to change the type of products that we buy so that we can play and have a better role to save the environment and also to change the lifestyles that humans can have. So reducing the use of microbeads will help save animal life, marine life, and also help promote better health and reduce toxicity in marine life and human life. Thank you.